Welcome to today's financial news update from quantbyte.io. Soybean futures have recovered some losses after a stronger than anticipated NOPA, National Oilseed Processors Association, report. As a result, prices have risen by 3 to 4 cents, while the national average cash bean price has increased by 3 cents to $9.35 3/4 per bushel. Soy meal futures have also gained ground, rising by $1.80 to $1.90 per ton. Adobe Incorporated (ADBE) has been identified as a top pick by the PB Growth Investor Model, which seeks out low book-to-market stocks with strong growth potential. MP Materials Corp. (MP) is identified as a top stock by the Quantitative Momentum Investor Model. The model, based on Wesley Gray's strategy, highlights MP due to its consistent momentum in financial performance. Home Depot Inc. (HD) stands out as a top pick among 22 guru strategies, according to the multi-factor investor model inspired by Pim van Vliet's approach. HD is favored for its combination of low volatility and strong stock performance. Chevron Corporation (CVX) is favored by the PE/growth investor model based on Peter Lynch's strategy. This approach prioritizes stocks with a reasonable price-to-growth ratio. According to this model, Chevron presents an attractive investment opportunity. Cisco Systems Incorporated (CSCO) has been identified as a top pick by our multi-factor investor model, which is based on Pim van Vliet's strategy. The model favors stocks with low volatility characteristics. Relevant information about Reddit Incorporated (RDDT) shows it's rated highest by a specific investment model, specifically designed to identify low book-to-market stocks with high growth potential. Vertiv Holdings Co. (VRT) stands out as a top pick using the PB Growth Investor Model by Partha Mohan Ram, a renowned guru in fundamental investing strategies. The model identifies VRT as having favorable characteristics, including a low book-to-market ratio, suggesting potential for growth. Arista Networks Inc. (ANET) ranks high in the growth investor model, which seeks out growth stocks with persistently accelerating earnings and sales growth. The company's strong performance aligns with this investment approach. SoundHound AI Incorporated (SOAN) is rated highest by the Small Cap Growth Investor Model, which seeks small cap growth stocks with solid fundamentals, led by the Motley Fool's strategy. General Electric Co. (GE) is identified as a top pick by Validia's multi-factor investor model, which prioritizes low volatility stocks with specific characteristics. Mara Holdings Inc. (MARA) scores high in a contrarian investor model by David Dreeman, identifying it as an unpopular yet potentially undervalued stock. Snowflake Inc. (SNO) performs best among Validia's 22 guru models, particularly under the Quantitative Momentum Investor Model developed by Wesley Gray. This model identifies stocks with consistent and significant growth in stock price. Qualcomm Incorporated (QCOM) ranks high in Validia's low PE investor model by John Neff, which seeks out companies with persistent earnings growth and low price-to-earnings ratios. Intuit Inc. (ENTU) ranks high among 22 analyzed models due to its performance in the PB Growth Investor Model, which focuses on low book-to-market stocks with strong growth potential. Stay informed with quantbyte.io for the latest financial news.